So I'm standing inside the drugstore, and this Michigan fan's arguing with the pharmacist, telling him that medicine he given will not stop him from coughing. I say, hey dude, here, take this little white pill. It's a magic pill. It's an Alabama magic pill. It's guaranteed to stop you from coughing. Now go on, get the heck up out of here. So as I'm walking out the door, I see this Michigan fan just holding on to a pole for dear life, not moving. And his wife starts yelling at me, "Where'd you get my husband?" I said, only the strongest lads that have known the man is guaranteed that he will not cough. Roll Tide roll. Michigan finna get that butt whooped by the SEC. Alabama. Roll Tide.